Welcome back to another episode of Food, Fun, and Facts with me, Big D. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make ponche, or Mexican Christmas punch, as some may call it. This stuff will warm you to the core. Just add alcohol. Stay tuned. Alright, so all you're going to need is a cup and a half of sugar. You're going to add that straight to the pot. We have a whole pineapple, cored and chopped. I'm going to dump that in the water. Just like that. Half a cup of Jamaica or hibiscus flower. Right here we have 3 whole cinnamon sticks that we're going to add to the water. This here is sugar cane that's been peeled and cut into little sections like this. When you first get it, it looks something like this. It's usually a little bit longer. They make cane sugar out of this. Not your everyday granulated sugar that you get at the store. That's usually made by beetroots or something of the like. This is really good, and you can actually chew on it when it's done. You don't swallow it because it's very fibrous, but this goes in there as well. Put this in there. And here we have 2 different types of apples. We have our Golden Delicious. There's 3 of those, and there's 3 Gala apples. You can use any kind of apples you want. These are the kind that I like to use. You can use Red Delicious, Granny Smith, whatever you want. It changes the flavor depending on which apples you use. There's 3 of each. We're gonna dump those in. They've been cored and chopped into chunks. Dump it straight into the water. We have a cup of raisins, straight into the water. We have about 3 cups of grapes that have been washed. You can use red grapes, purple grapes, whichever grapes you'd like to use. I prefer the green ones. Dump those bad boys right in there. And something that is very important to the Mexican Christmas punch is tecojotes. These are also called manzanitas, or they're a small type of apple. It has a very distinct flavor. You always put them in there whole. Sometimes you can get them in a jar. I like to use them fresh. Just wash them right into the pot. We're gonna let this boil, come to a boil, and then we'll be right back and I'll show you what the end product looks like. All right, it's been boiling for about 20 or so minutes now. Let's check it out. I think we're about there. Ooh, look at that. All that fruit in there. This is perfect right now for this cold weather. Let's check it out. Look at all that fruit all mixed up in there. I'm gonna get a glass, pour some in a glass. Don't forget to put some of that fruit in there. We got our Christmas Mexican punch here, or ponche as they call it. This stuff is ridiculous. It's nice and hot. It'll warm you up during these cold months. While you guys are here, if you could comment down below, let me know what you put in your ponche. Is it different from what I put in mine? Give this a try. I'll put all the ingredients and directions in the description down below. While you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you guys can be alerted to when we have some new videos coming out, all right? Oh, and one little secret, you can put tequila in this, or whiskey, whatever kind of favorite alcohol it is. It'll warm you right to the core. This stuff is delicious. All right, everybody, we'll see you soon. Deuces!